an update. It's not a person, it's a dog, and they've saved it.
Two of them.
Two dogs they've saved. I hope Garfuck's not in there though. I've not seen him, you know, for 2 weeks. Oh, look at the dog. I can see it. How was it caught fire? Did they say? So they're alright next door, aren't they?
They're alright because they're there. I can't see Stuart because my window's a bit steamed up, but I can see Emma.
You can see the dog now.
I can see Emma.
Right, it's not here, it's the dogs. They're saving the dogs. Oh, bless them.
The dogs are alright.
Do you know what?
They've said the dogs are okay.
Absolutely brilliant. I commend them. 3 fire engines to save the dogs. Oh, that is beautiful. I think both houses have gone up. They look alright there, but her house is absolutely burnt to shit. Oh. Look at all fire engines. Three fire engines.
Liquids there. What have they got out? They're all blocking the back.
Oh, look at the dog there. Them firemen, I commend them firemen for doing that, because
when they've got lives to save.
And they did the saving a dog's life there. Look at that.
Yeah.
That is absolutely brilliant.
There's a seating coming on you. Put your hands on here. It's warm.
I'm on. I've warmed up a bit now.
Yeah. Okay.
But that is absolutely brilliant. Saving dogs, going in there and risking their own lives to save dogs.
Well, I said, is there anything that I can do?
So there's 2 dogs been saved. Oh, look at
another ambulance that's come. Is that for dogs?
An ambulance for dogs. Oh yeah, the dogs are alright. That is absolutely. Every one of them need.
Yeah.
I'd buy every one of them 3 pints for doing that. Like and subscribe, and send maybe some treats.